Good morning. Today's experiment is the motor not in the cage or not in the tower top. So I've set this thing up here at the moment with I've set it up to do 1,000 steps, and I've set the delay at figure 1. So I'll just show you what that does. Hold this up here for you and I'll upload that. Just as a matter of interest, even though nothing's going on, I can feel a very small amount of vibration in that at this moment. So now we'll upload that sketch. I'll get this close so you can hear it. Do that again. I'm going to put it around the back of the camera near the microphone. And I'll do it again, but this time I'll put it around the back. Okay, so now I'm going to go inside and test that, see what I've discovered. Okay, the good news is that when I listened to that sound, when I played it inside on the computer, it was barely audible, and the vibration in my fingers was quite smooth. So that means, let me think, we got delay of 1, I guess that's a millisecond. That means that there's 1,000 of them in a second, I guess, and that means we're doing 5 RPM. Am I doing 5 RPM in 1 millisecond? Would that be 5,000 RPM per second? 60 times that? No, there's no way that was doing 30,000 RPM. Can any of you guys calculate how many RPM that thing was doing and tell me whether that is, I would like to know how many RPM that is, and whether that was or is a satisfactory and comfortable speed. Thank you.